Hey guys, what's up? Knife Addict here. So, today I'm going to show you guys the basic horizontal opening of the Balisong. So, let's get started. So, got the small fly here, the fake. So, what you're going to do, you're going to hold the safe handle and you're going to throw it back over your hand, just like that. And then, you're going to turn Balisong in your hand. Like that. So far, we're here. Back, turn. And then you're going to go back like this on your hand so that the spine of the blade is on your hand there. And then all you're going to do after that is go forward. The knife's in your hand. So it looks like this. That's the opening. Okay, so back, around, back, forward. Alright, so to close, I've just been doing it like you would do a quick draw. I'll make a video on this too, but back, around, back, forward. And then to close it, you just go back again, around, just like that. Show you guys the spines on my finger there. And yeah. So it's open, back, around, back, forward. So it's pretty simple. And you can get fast at it. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll have some more advanced tricks coming up, like the helix, hellbent, cherry picker, stuff like that. So, I look forward to making those videos. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.